Hey, what's good, people? It's vdoestech, and as you can see, we have the iPad mini in-house. Now, this was not something that was on my 2024 bingo card. This was kind of like a spur-of-the-moment pickup. Now, I am not an Apple guy. I am team Android. You see, I got the S24 Ultra over here, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold over here. I'm team Android, but I absolutely love small tablets, and Samsung and Google just refused to make one. For the last 2 years, I've really gotten into small tablets, so I have been using the Lenovo Legion Y700 from 2023. This is an absolutely amazing tablet, but this is the Chinese version. I waited for the 2024 version to come out, and they did not release an international version. So after tons of debating, I saw a decent deal on Amazon, and I was able to pick up the tablet and grab the case for $490. So yeah, here we are. Now, I'm not even gonna lie, I know very little about this tablet. I don't follow Apple stuff at all in any way. The things I know is that it's 8.3 inches, 128 gigabytes, and I know Apple finally jumped on the bandwagon of getting Type-C charging, and that's really everything I know. 128 gigabytes, iPad mini, A17 Pro Wi-Fi version. Didn't need the cellular one at all. So let's just go ahead and peel that off. Now, I'm not even gonna lie, I low-key even forgot the color I picked out. But yeah, this is my first Apple device since the iPhone X and the iPad 6th gen. So it's been at least like 5 or 6 years. So nothing on the inside of the box. Let's go ahead and pull that out. Now, like I said, I absolutely love small tablets, easy to hold on to. Let's see what you get in the box. Now, I'm pretty sure that's a manual. Don't need anything or from there, but maybe I do. You do get a charging brick. Honestly, I probably won't even use this. I don't even know the charge speed of the iPad or what. So this looks like it's a 20-watt charger. If you can see that, it does say it's 20-watt charging. So maybe I will use it. I don't know if Apple charges faster with its own charging bricks. That's something I'm gonna have to find out. And you get, you get a nice little braided cable right here. So that's dope. I may actually use it. Well, it is white, so it probably will get dirty pretty quick. As you can see, my hands, I was messing with the grill, so I forgot to wash my hands. So probably already getting this cable dirty. But yo, charcoal grills, you gotta love them. But yeah, that is everything you get in the box. So I'm actually kind of surprised that you still get a charging brick in the box. Did not know that. Like I said, I don't follow Apple stuff at all. And here is the tablet. Now, absolutely, I can already tell you, the whole reason I picked this up is because the size of this tablet. So easy to grab. I don't have the biggest hands in the world. Let's see, here is the Lenovo Legion is 8.8 inches and this is 8.3. So you can see there is a little bit of a size difference. The Legion is definitely taller when it comes to, it looks like, I know I'm committing a tech sin, putting glass to glass, but yeah, the iPad mini is definitely thicker. The Lenovo Legion is taller. Let's take a quick tour around the tablet. Now it looks like you got two speakers on the top. Is this the power button? I'm assuming it is, since it's the only button over here. So then you have the volume up, volume down, I'm assuming. Two more speakers on the bottom. There goes your Type-C charging. Don't know what this is. I'm assuming possibly an antenna. And here's how it looks with the screen on. Comes with 73% battery. Now, I don't know how I feel about the thickness of the border and the edges, because like as a quick comparison, screen to body ratio, you can see you have your majority screen on this tablet. So it is a little bit of a downgrade, but I'm gonna go into this with an open mind. Like I said, haven't used an Apple device in forever, so honestly, don't even know where to start at. So let's throw English, United States, America. Do you hit it, or let's hit United States. Appearance, choose how you would like the text. Medium, large, let's go with medium for now. Continue, quick start, setup without another device. Let's do that. So we'll go ahead and throw on my Wi-Fi, which I don't remember what the pass is right now. So we'll go ahead and skip. I'll probably set it up, come back in like a week or so and tell you what I think about it. Right now, the things I can tell you, absolutely love the size of this. It feels really good in the hand. Now, does it have MagSafe charging? So nope, no MagSafe. I thought, see, this is, like I said, I don't know about Apple products. I thought maybe it might have MagSafe charging. So I thought it might be easier to hold if I could, throw on my MagSafe ring and be able to hold it like this. But it's not a difficult tablet to hold in any way. Just slightly thicker than the Lenovo Legion. Feels really good. It actually looks nice. The camera, honestly, I'm not too concerned. Like I said, I've been using my other tablet for close to 2 years. Have not used the camera once. The things I picked this up for is, having on my desk at work, some light manga reading, some note taking, some anime watching, media watching, maybe 1 or 2 games to, kill some downtime. Nothing too heavy is going to happen on this tablet. Now, I know Apple has been heavily saying that this is a powerful tablet. I'm definitely not going to use it to its max capabilities. But yeah, it looks really good. Scrolling from what I can tell so far, I know that, oh, I guess I lied. I know it doesn't have 120 refresh. I'm not sure what the screen resolution on the iPad mini is, but from right here, it looks really good. I feel like these speakers are gonna be decent. Hard to have 4 speakers on a tablet and it not sound good. But yeah, overall looks really good. Impressed going off of looks only. The screen does seem to be plenty bright. Now, I'm not sure what the process is gonna be to set this up because I don't have any Apple ID, so I'm not sure how long it's going to take to set up, so we'll skip all that. If you have any questions, let me know. Maybe I can come back in about a week or so, or maybe 48 hours after I have everything set up and ready to go. Overall, I can say solid build quality, looks really good. I do like this space gray. I thought maybe I had picked up the light blue one, but after seeing this space gray, I definitely say I went with the right color. Like I said, I picked up a cheap little case. I think it was like $8 to $10, but I may not use that case. Maybe I will. The long-term plan, if I really like this tablet, I plan on getting a carbon fiber case. So yeah, this is just a trial run, so the case wasn't even all that important, but I guess let me just do a quick size comparison real quick. So like, here's the S24 Ultra. So you can see side by side, there's how big it is. Then you have the Google Pro Fold Plus. Wait, the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Finally got it, first try. And then if you open it up, here's how it looks side by side. So yeah, if this size on the Pixel just hasn't been doing it for me. Like I said, I love small tablets. This wasn't doing it for me. It's good when I'm like need to do phone stuff, but when I want to do tablet stuff, it's not really cutting it for me. But yeah, this feels like it's gonna be a good size. Not that much, if you can, yeah, not that much of a size difference at all. So feels good. I can say the build quality amongst both of these are probably equal. I wouldn't give one to the other, but yeah, this is the iPad mini, my first iPad in 5-6 years. I'm gonna give Apple a chance. Go in with the I'm gonna give it a real shot. Give it the old college try. Hopefully I can get used to it. So far, build quality feels really good in the hand. Screen looks okay. Not sure how I feel about the borders, but yeah, I am ready to go set this up. I've been yapping long enough. Let me know what questions you have in the comments. If you have any tips, let me know too, because I'm not really sure where I'm going to start. I'm sure I'm not going to be able to have the same as many options as I have on Android, but who knows, maybe I will. That's enough talking. I'm out of here. It's vdoestech. I'll catch you on the next one. Later.